Bullish Stellar Lumens XLM cost forecast range somewhere in the range of $528 and 676 and $98 and 610 by 2030. Market investigators accept XLM could reach $411 192 by 2025. Negative Stellar Lumens market cost expectation for 2023 is $0.93987. Stellar Lumens XLM presentation. The XLM image assigns Stellar Lumens an elective cryptographic money. Following the 2017 cryptographic money publicity bubble, altcoin had a flood in fame. It is one of the main 10 cryptographic forms of money by market capitalization. Because of XLM's terrible presentation in previous years attributable to negative crypto market, it has accordingly lost its positioning among the main 10. Yet again, as of late, Stellar Lumens has started to perform well, giving financial backers idealism that it might ultimately meet the positive estimates by specialists. This article means to give inside and out specialized and principal investigation as well as cost gauges. Toward the end, you'll have a superior comprehension of how high Stellar Lumens might rise, and on the off chance that it is a beneficial venture. What is Stellar Lumens XLM? The Stellar establishment is a non-benefit that advances the development and utilization of the Stellar Lumens installment organization. Jed McCaleb, organizer behind MT, Gox as well as the altcoin Wave, established the establishment in 2014. He worked intimately with Stripe chief Patrick Collinson on the task. More than $3 million in seed cash was given by Collinson and Stripe on the side of Stellar. From that point forward, the Stellar establishment has gotten help from a few additional teammates. At present, Stellar fills in as an imaginative cross-line installment arrangement, as well as a way for those without ledgers to get to an abundant store and a method for move with extraordinarily low rates. The local cryptographic money resource that drives the Stellar blockchain network is called Lumens XLM. Regardless of the Stellar Establishments Association, Stellar is totally decentralized and the general population possesses it. The blockchain driving Stellar organization is altogether more fast and less expensive than others. Stellar Lumens are neither mined nor scattered after some time. All things considered, 100 billion XLM coins were delivered when the Stellar organization went live. At first, a 1% ascent in yearly stockpile of the Stellar was arranged. Notwithstanding, the local area at last decided to get rid of this inflationary cycle. Afterward, the stockpile of Stellar Lumens was sliced down the middle. Resultantly, just 50 billion XLM tokens were left available for use, out of which 20 billion bought, sold, and used on the open market. The leftover 30 billion are held by the Stellar starting point for use in encouraging reception of Stellar. By teaming up with organizations like IBM on their Hyperledger project, Stellar Lumens has given the drive the genuinely necessary validity and authenticity in the crypto area. Stellar Lumens is presently worth $0.7483. XLM has moved 124% as of now with an exchanging volume of $86.1281. Stellar Lumens is presently positioned 31 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $3,157,382.77. Using the general strength file RSI, moving weighted normal MWA, Williams fractal, and moving normal combination dissimilarity MACD from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Stellar Lumens XLM to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation gauges utilize continuous Stellar Lumens XLM market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in light of current market action. Stellar Lumens XLM Value Expectation 2023. Stellar Lumens, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. XLM. The XLM cost figure for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, perhaps coming to $1.170-$230. Likewise, with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be progressive, yet no significant drops are normal. Averaging $64.84 and 81 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is attainable sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. XLM is supposed to have a base worth of $49.84. Stellar Lumens XLM Value Forecast 2024. In 2024, Stellar Lumens XLM cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the possible declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of XLM will, before long, outperform $93.716. In any case, we ought to hold on to check whether the XLM's overall strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, XLM will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $30.49.73 and a typical exchanging cost of $28.470. Stellar Lumens XLM Value Forecast 2025. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $4.11.203 and XLM might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. XLM is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $375.957 and a low of $50.24.59 in 2025. Stellar Lumens XLM Value Expectation 2026. Assuming Stellar Lumens effectively supports market opinion among digital money devotees, the XLM coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, XLM will be green in 2026. The XLM is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $5.28,689, with a base cost of $4.69.46 and a typical cost of $4.93.43. Stellar Lumens XLM Value Forecast 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the XLM cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $610.930 by 2027, with a base cost of $5.80.74.32 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, XLM has a most extreme value worth of $646.176. Stellar Lumens XLM Value Forecast 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep, carrying the typical cost to around $720.416. On the off chance that XLM figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $763.662. Neglecting to accumulate the help XLM needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $749.19. Stellar Lumens XLM Value Expectation 2029. While XLM is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry cooperation, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed, so the base exchange cost has been put at $20,405 and a yearly cost close above $880 1 year 49 in 2029. Stellar Lumens XLM Value Expectation 2030. By 2030, Stellar Lumens will at last outperform its past AF values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $39.8892 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $0.98,635, averaging out at $63,389. And there is no question that the Stellar organization is offering state-of-the-art problematic innovation, one that vows to change the monetary scene. Indeed, even with the low exchanging costs, the XLM token has shown an uplifting perspective throughout the long term. The previously mentioned Stellar cash projection gives significant insights about the imminent and long-haul development of Stellar Lumens. Costs for XLM